If you're on the internet in any capacity, you know how annoying spam can be, and this is especially true if you're an online business owner. Nothing is more irritating than starting the day and expecting to see new leads, but instead your inbox is full of a bunch of junk that was sent through your site's contact forms. So you might be wondering, is there anything you can do to fix this? I'm Daisy with WPForms, and today we're going to go over a few different ways you can protect your contact forms from spam when using the WPForms plugin. But before we jump in, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep up with all of our latest tips and tricks for WordPress. So right out of the gate, WPForms already has built-in spam protection that is simple, secure, and runs in the background when enabled. You can turn it on by heading into the form builder and going to the Settings tab, Spam Protection and Security, and clicking on the toggle called Enable Modern Anti-Spam Protection. It's also worth looking at the setting called Enable Minimum Time to Submit. What this setting does is it lets you set a minimum amount of seconds a user needs to spend on a form before they can submit it. This helps prevent bots from quickly submitting your form repeatedly with a bunch of junk information. You'll also notice that there's a toggle to enable Akismet anti-spam protection, which is method number 2 on our list. Akismet is a hugely popular anti-spam plugin that identifies and blocks suspicious form submissions. But before Akismet can start protecting your contact forms, you'll need to install the plugin on your WordPress site and go through the setup process. You can find our step-by-step tutorial on how to connect Akismet to WPForms in the video description below. Speaking of popular anti-spam protection, let's move on to our third method, Google's reCAPTCHA. It determines whether or not a user is human or a bot by having them complete either a puzzle, click on a checkbox, or detecting their behavior in the background while they navigate through your site. By doing this, reCAPTCHA is really good at making sure automated spam attempts are blocked and your inbox is kept safe. When enabled, you'll see the reCAPTCHA badge inside the WPForms form builder and know that your forms are now being protected. Check out the video description below to find a link to our complete guide on how to set up Google's reCAPTCHA on your WordPress site. But if you're looking for an alternative to reCAPTCHA, let's talk about number 4 on our list, hCaptcha. Like reCAPTCHA, hCaptcha works by presenting your visitors with a challenge. If they can't complete it, the form won't submit, and the spam bot will get stuck. But right off the bat, I'm sure you're probably wondering, what's the difference between reCAPTCHA and hCaptcha if they pretty much work the same? So here are the 3 main reasons why you may want to choose hCaptcha over reCAPTCHA. Number 1 is privacy. hCaptcha collects less data about your visitors, so if you're worried about privacy concerns or about retargeting ads, hCaptcha might be the better option for you between the two. Number 2, monetization, or in other words, get paid for your CAPTCHAs. When your site's visitors complete a challenge on your forms, hCaptcha will actually pay you a small reward for each one. This is especially helpful and beneficial if you've got a busy site that receives lots of form submissions. Number 3, supporting charities. If you want, you can actually decide to donate the earnings from your hCaptcha account to a charity automatically. hCaptcha is free to use, but keep in mind that unlike Google's reCAPTCHA, there is no invisible CAPTCHA option. You can find our step-by-step tutorial on how to set up hCaptcha on your site in the video description below. Another CAPTCHA solution you might be interested in is Cloudflare Turnstile. Like hCaptcha, Cloudflare Turnstile is a great reCAPTCHA alternative if you're looking for a free option that prioritizes protection from data harvesting. During the setup process, you'll be able to select the preferred widget type, which determines how Cloudflare will verify users on your site. And once you enable it in the form builder, the badge will appear just like the reCAPTCHA and hCaptcha badges to let you know that your forms are currently being protected. Be sure to check out our Cloudflare Turnstile setup tutorial, which we'll have linked in the video description below. But let's say you want to use something simple and that's already built into the WPForms plugin. WPForms actually has a built-in custom CAPTCHA field that you can quickly and easily add to your form. Drag and drop it into the form builder, then click on it to reveal the settings. Under the type dropdown, you'll see 2 options, Math and Question and Answer. If you choose Math, the field will automatically display a random math question that users will need to answer correctly before they can submit a form on your site. And if you choose Question and Answer, you can create as many questions and answer pairs as you'd like. These will appear in a randomized order each time the page loads or refreshes. But okay, let's say you've noticed that there's a specific user in particular that keeps sending spam your way. Turns out this isn't actually a bot and is an actual human. Unfortunately, this tends to happen too. CAPTCHAs won't be able to help in this scenario because they'll be able to get past the options that we've just gone over, but there are still a few things you can do if you're getting spam from an actual person or group instead of a bot. Block or allow specific email addresses on your forms. In the form builder, add an email field to your form and click on it, then click on the Advanced tab. Find the drop-down called Allowlist, Denylist. You can create either a list of email addresses that can't submit your form, or a list of email addresses or domains that will be blocked if they try it. Enable a keyword filter. If you're not targeting specific email addresses or domains, you can create a filter to block out specific keywords instead. To do this, head over to the Settings tab, Spam Protection and Security, and click on the Enable Keyword Filter toggle. Click on the Edit Keyword List link and add as many keywords as you'd like, making sure each one is on its own line. Keep in mind that using this option will block all submissions that contain words you add on this list, so you'll want to be very specific to avoid blocking legitimate messages. Number 3, restrict submissions by country. If you notice that you're getting spam submissions from users located in a specific country, you can use a country filter to deny or accept submissions from specific locations. Click on the Enable Country Filter toggle and choose to either allow or restrict entries, and then write in which countries will be affected. As you can see, there is no shortage of tools you can add to your arsenal to help get rid of contact form spam for good. Let us know in the comments which of these anti-spam solutions is your favorite, or if you've got any secret tricks of your own to help fight against pesky spammers. I'm Daisy with WPForms. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.